Welcome back to the channel. If you want to take your Galaxy S26 Ultra photography and videography to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the must-have Galaxy S26 Ultra camera accessories. Top 5 game changers that can instantly upgrade your shots. From stabilizing tools and lens add-ons to lighting and pro-level accessories, we've picked the best gear to help you capture sharper, more cinematic photos and videos. Let's dive in and level up your camera setup. On number 1 is the TORRAS Camera Lens Protector for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is a premium lens protection solution designed to keep your camera module safe without compromising photo quality. Featuring 9 H+ military-grade tempered glass with a metal frame that offers strong resistance against scratches, drops, and daily wear, while maintaining a 1-to-1 precise fit that blends seamlessly with the original camera design for a near-invisible look. It includes anti-reflective AR coating and HD clarity layers, ensuring your photos and videos remain sharp, vibrant, and free from glare or ghosting, even in low light or with flash. The oleophobic coating helps reduce fingerprints and smudges, while the case-friendly slim profile ensures compatibility with almost all cases without lifting or interference. In real-life use, this protector performs very well for protecting the exposed camera lenses, which are prone to scratches due to the raised camera bump, and installation is easy thanks to included alignment tools, though like all lens protectors, careful placement is still important. Compared to cheaper lens covers, TORRAS stands out for its better durability, clearer optics, and premium build, though it typically costs more. Pros include strong 9 H+ military-grade protection, excellent HD clarity with anti-reflective coating, fingerprint-resistant surface, precise metal frame fit, and wide case compatibility. While cons include higher price than basic options, slight added thickness on the camera module, and, like any lens protector, poor installation or low-quality alternatives can affect image quality, though this one minimizes that risk. Overall, this is one of the best lens protectors for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, ideal for users who want maximum camera protection without sacrificing photo quality. On number 2 is the APEXEL 10 to 20 times Macro Lens Kit. Is a handy and affordable smartphone accessory designed for users who want to explore detailed macro photography, offering adjustable 10 times to 20 times magnification that lets you capture fine textures and close-up details of subjects like insects, plants, and small objects with impressive clarity for its price range. It also includes a 45-mode LED fill light, which is particularly useful for improving lighting in close-range shots, where shadows can easily ruin detail. And the universal clip design makes it compatible with most smartphones, adding to its convenience and portability. In real-world use, the lens can produce sharp and visually appealing macro shots when used carefully, though it requires a very close focusing distance and steady hands, which may take some practice for beginners, especially when shooting moving subjects. Pros include strong magnification capability, good image detail for a budget lens, built-in adjustable lighting, universal compatibility, and easy portability. While cons include a noticeable learning curve, extremely close focus requirement, possible fit issues with thick phone cases, and overall image quality that cannot match professional macro lenses. Overall, it's a great entry-level tool for hobbyists and casual users who want to experiment with macro photography without investing in expensive camera equipment. On number 3 is the metal phone tripod mount with 3 cold shoes and Archiport. Is a solid and versatile smartphone rig designed for content creators who want to upgrade their mobile setup for vlogging, live streaming, or video recording. Featuring a durable, all-metal, aluminum build that feels sturdy and reliable compared to plastic mounts, along with 360-degree rotation for easy switching between portrait and landscape modes, and a standard Arca Swiss base plus 1/4-inch thread for quick tripod compatibility, making it very flexible for different shooting setups. Its standout feature is the 3 cold shoe mounts, 2 on the side and 1 on the back, allowing you to attach accessories like microphones and LED lights simultaneously for a more professional setup. In real-world use, it performs well for stable shooting and accessory expansion, especially for beginners stepping into content creation, though the clamp grip may not feel as tight as premium brands and can struggle with very thick phone cases, and the added metal construction makes it slightly heavier than basic holders. Pros include strong metal durability, multiple cold shoe mounts for accessories, Arca and tripod compatibility, and full 360-degree rotation flexibility, while cons include slightly heavier build, average grip strength, and no advanced features like quick magnetic mounting or built-in stabilization. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly rig for vloggers and mobile creators who want more control and expandability without spending on high-end gear. On number 4 is the NEEWER BR605-inch ring light. BR60 model is a compact and affordable lighting solution designed mainly for video calls, online meetings, live streaming, and basic content creation, featuring a 60 LED circular design with adjustable color temperature, warm to cool, 3000 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin, and 10 brightness levels, allowing users to fine-tune lighting for different environments, while its CRI 97+ rating helps produce more natural-looking skin tones and accurate colors, which is especially useful for Zoom calls or recorded videos. It comes with a clip mount for laptops/monitors and a mini tripod for desk use, and it runs via USB power, making it easy to connect to laptops, power banks, or wall adapters, but it must stay plugged in during use. In real-life use, it significantly improves facial lighting by reducing shadows and creating a more professional, evenly lit appearance on camera, especially in dim rooms, though its small 5-inch size means it is best for close-range lighting only rather than full-room illumination. Pros include very affordable price, easy plug-and-play setup, adjustable brightness and color temperature, strong color accuracy, CRI 97+, portable design, and useful clip plus tripod versatility for desks and monitors, while cons include small size limiting lighting range, no built-in battery, must stay plugged in, basic plastic build quality, and less powerful output compared to larger ring lights. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly lighting tool for remote workers, students, and beginners, but not ideal for professional studio-level production or large-area lighting setups. On number 5 is the APEXEL 100 Ultra Macro Lens. CPL Starlight Enhanced version is a high-magnification smartphone lens designed for extreme close-up photography, allowing users to capture fine microscopic details of flowers, insects, jewelry, food textures, and small objects with impressive sharpness, thanks to its advanced multi-element optical design and high light transmission glass that reduces distortion and improves clarity. The included CPL, circular polarizer filter, helps reduce reflections and glare, which is especially useful when shooting shiny surfaces like metal, glass, or wet objects, while the starlight effect adds a creative flare option for artistic photography, making it more versatile than basic macro clip-on lenses. In real-world use, it can produce very detailed and dramatic close-up shots when properly aligned and used with steady hands or a tripod. But like most high-magnification macro lenses, it requires a very close working distance and precise focusing technique, which can make it challenging for beginners to get consistently sharp results. Pros include extremely high macro detail capability, improved clarity with multi-coated optics, reduced glare thanks to the CPL filter, creative starlight effect option, and strong compatibility with major smartphones. While cons include a steep learning curve, very sensitive focusing distance, potential difficulty when shooting moving subjects, and the need for steady support like a tripod for best results. Overall, this lens is a great choice for photography enthusiasts who want professional-level macro detail from a smartphone, but it is less ideal for casual users who want quick, point-and-shoot simplicity.